Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so in our journal today, let's get it out. Here we go. I got mine. Do you have yours? Okay, so the first thing is, what day is it today? Today is Monday. So today I have a crayon just to be different. Mm, that's an M. Mm, Monday. Monday. Then I put a comment. What month are we still in? April. This is the last week of April. We have one more week of April. One more. This is it. Then we go to May. A P R I L. April what? Today is the 26th. 26 in the year 2021. If we write that in number way, a number version, it would be, remember, January, February, March, April. April's the fourth month, so we start with a 4 slash 26 slash 21. And that means the same thing. Okay, so our letter today is K. Now we've made some Ks when we have had small group, and the K is really funny. It looks the same. The only thing that's different is on the lowercase k, the tall, I call it the back of the letter, the long part right here, the long line is actually like longer even. Because here in the big K, when the line comes to meet it in the middle, see, it doesn't look so tall. But here, the line, when it comes to meet it, it's way down low. And so that's what makes it look longer and taller. Okay? So the sentence is I can kick. Let's do it. I can kick. How many letters is that? How many words? Three. So we're going to draw three lines. One, two, three. Let's sound it out. First word, I. We know that word. It's a capital because it begins the sentence. Next word, can. Can. Now, the funny thing about that is that it makes the k sound, which is the sound of K and C. So K and C make the same sound. So I'm going to put a K because we're listening for K, but it could be a C. I can kick. Okay. Now, this is a cool word. Ick. It even has it at the end of the word, too. I can kick. So we hear the k at the beginning and k at the end. Kick. It's so cool. Okay, and then a period. Let's count our words. One, two, three. Three words. So now we want to draw a picture to go with it. So draw some grass. Get a different color because that's what you want to do. You want to add detail to your picture. That's part of learning to draw a picture to go with what we write about. Okay, so here I drew shoes on the person. I have a stick person, but that's okay. I drew a smiley face, and I'm kicking. I can kick. So I'm drawing a kick. And I'm going to label it me. That's me. Okay, so then on the back, remember we're making some K's today. So families, don't forget to draw lines for us to have our letters stand on or sit on. Capital K, start at the top, you go down, and you come over here and you go and you draw a line. It's called diagonal. It's kind of like a cross. It goes to the middle. Then you go from that point where they touch out. That's a capital K. Go down, go over and touch it, and then you go down. Okay, so you do that again. So we want to do two lines of capital Ks. And then, okay, now I'm going to come down here. Now we're going to do our lowercase Ks. Start at the top, you go down, then you pick up your writing utensil. Don't go back up to the top like we did with the capital K. You're going to go more towards the bottom. and I'm going to go over to the line and then go down. So it has a longer line, it looks like. Okay, you go down, come down lower, touch the long line, then go out. Okay, go down lower, and then go out. Okay, so you're making capital K's and lowercase k's. What sound does K make? K, k, k. Good job. Okay, so 2 lines of lowercase, 2 lines of capital. Then I know we have some extra pages. I want you to practice writing your name. Okay, families, please draw lines for them. We want to make sure there's about 5 of these lines in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 lines for them to be able to make their letters nice and big. Okay, who should I do? Jenica. Start with a J. E. N. I. C. Oh, she has a K in her name. K. A. Jenica. Now, families, remember, if your little one cannot write all of this, all of their letters of their name, then you may need to like break it down and draw a line for each letter and make little dot letters for them to trace. And then on the next line, when you draw a line for each letter, see if you can write every other one and see if they can fill the one in the middle in. So we're gradually taking them down to learning how to remember all the letters in their name. But we do need them to practice this. Even if they can't write it all by hand, they can trace letters, they can go on top of your letters, and then you write every other one. So we want to get them so they're able to write their name. That's our goal. Okay? Okay, guys, make it a great day. Bye.